What if you stepped into a forest so quiet, so still, that even the wind seemed afraid to move? What if, with every step you took, the world behind you slowly disappeared, and the deeper you went, the harder it became to find your way back? What if the silence itself was not peaceful, but watching you? This is the story of Aokigahara, a place where beauty and darkness exist side by side, and where many who enter are never seen again. At the base of Mount Fuji in Japan lies a forest unlike any other. Aokigahara, often called the Sea of Trees, stretches across miles of dense, twisted woodland. From above, it looks calm and untouched, a vast green blanket covering the land. But inside, the forest tells a very different story. The trees grow so close together that sunlight struggles to reach the ground. The air feels heavy, almost unnatural. Sounds do not travel the way they should. Even your own footsteps seem distant, as if the forest is absorbing them. It is a place where direction loses meaning. Compasses often fail here. The rich, volcanic soil contains iron deposits that can interfere with navigation. Phones lose signal. Paths become confusing, and once you leave the main trail, it becomes incredibly easy to get lost. But Aokigahara is not just known for its natural dangers. It is known for something far darker. For decades, this forest has been associated with tragedy. Many people have entered Aokigahara carrying heavy burdens, searching not for adventure, but for escape. Over time, it gained a reputation as one of the most haunted and mysterious places in the world. Local authorities patrol the area regularly, placing signs at the entrance of trails. The signs carry simple but powerful messages, asking visitors to think about their families, to remember their lives, and to seek help. They are not warnings of danger from animals or weather. They are messages meant to save lives. As you walk deeper into the forest, you may begin to notice unusual objects, ribbons tied to trees, personal belongings left behind, items that suggest someone once stood there, making a decision. Some of these markers are left by visitors who wish to find their way back. Others are silent traces of stories that were never finished. The deeper you go, the more the forest changes. The ground becomes uneven, covered in roots and rocks formed by ancient lava flows. Trees twist and bend in unnatural shapes, their branches reaching out like shadows frozen in time. The silence grows heavier, pressing against your thoughts. It is not just the absence of sound, it is something else. Many who have visited Aokigahara describe a strange feeling, as if they are being watched. Not in a physical sense, but something deeper, something psychological. The isolation, the darkness, the stillness, it begins to affect the mind. Time feels different here. Minutes stretch longer, directions become unclear, even simple decisions feel harder to make. And then there are the stories. Stories of people who entered the forest and never returned. Stories of strange lights seen between the trees. Stories of voices heard in the distance, even when no one else was around. Some believe the forest is haunted. They say that the spirits of those who died there remain unable to leave, wandering silently among the trees. They speak of shadows that move when no one is there, of figures glimpsed between branches, disappearing the moment you look directly at them. Whether these stories are real or not, the feeling they create is undeniable. Aokigahara does not need ghosts to be terrifying. The forest itself is enough. Despite its dark reputation, Aokigahara is also a place of natural beauty. The contrast is striking. Lush greenery, unique rock formations, and hidden caves make it visually stunning. But that beauty is quiet, almost deceptive, hiding the deeper truth beneath it. Tourists visit every year, drawn by curiosity and mystery. Some stay near the edges, exploring safe paths and guided trails. Others, driven by something deeper, go further, and not everyone comes back the same. Rescue teams and volunteers regularly search the forest, hoping to help those in need. Their work is difficult and emotional. They walk through the same silence, the same darkness, knowing what they might find. For them, Aokigahara is not just a place, it is a responsibility. Over time, efforts have been made to change how people see the forest. Awareness campaigns, increased patrols, and support systems have been introduced to help prevent tragedies. The goal is not just to protect the forest, but to protect the people who enter it. Still, the reputation remains because Aokigahara is more than its history. It is an experience. Imagine walking alone beneath those trees, the path behind you fading, the world outside slowly disappearing. The air growing heavier with each step, your thoughts becoming louder in the silence. You stop and listen, but there's nothing, no birds, no wind, just silence. You try to turn back, but something feels different. The path no longer looks the same. The trees seem unfamiliar. Directions lose meaning, and for a moment you realize how easy it would be to lose yourself here. Not just physically, but mentally. That is the true power of Aokigahara. It does not chase you. It does not attack. It simply surrounds you and waits.